Hi, I'm Coach Natalie Carey, and today I'm modifying a pillar bridge with a row, which I personally think is one of the most challenging movements that we have on Tonal. I'll show you the traditional movement so that we know what we're modifying. Come down onto the floor, you come into a pillar bridge or a forearm plank, and make sure that when you extend your arm, there's still some cable that's showing from Tonal so that you have some tension on that handle. Get set up, your hips are squared off towards the floor, and then turn your weight on and row your elbow back. So for me, this is so challenging to do. The first modification that I have for us is to drop our knees down from that pillar bridge into a knee plank. Again, turn your weight on before you start rowing. So here's option one. Option two in this position is to come up into a high plank and keep that knee plank here. If this video is helping you so far, go ahead, give it a like and give my channel a subscription so that you can see more modification videos like this. All right, let's get back to the modifications. Another modification option is to stand up, get your balance on one leg, hinge forward, turn your weight on, and then practice your row from here. Even though this isn't in a pillar bridge, this is still a big challenge for your core. You're still having to balance and you're rowing at the same time. So we're still accomplishing what that exercise is intended for. Finally, I want to show you my favorite modification, and this is what I use during my workouts. Like I said, this is a really challenging exercise for me, so I modify it by using the bench. Same position that you would use, pillar bridge or a forearm plank, forearm down on the bench instead of the floor. Turn our weight on and start rowing. Notice that when I extend my arm, there's still length on the cable outside of the tonal arm. This is option one with the bench. Other option, turn that weight off before you transition, is doing a high plank and rowing from here. So whichever option works for you. Those are all of my modifications for the pillar bridge with a row. If this video has been helpful to you, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. You've got a bunch more modification videos available to you on there. I'm Coach Natalie Carey. Thanks for being excellent to yourself today.